Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my day number 2 with my bike.
What is it? What kind of bike is it?
It's a Papio
CFMOTO. Papio 125, 6-speed.
6-speed. I've never drove a clutch before yesterday. So this is my day number 2 attempt, and I'm going to start it up for you and we'll see what happens.
There you go. Don't mind my wild hair.
Yeah, he's got crazy hair.
Needs cut, but it's still cold, and I was just on that to drive it here. Well, you ready? You want to show them how to start this thing?
Yeah. Get on here. Gonna click down.
Yep, down.
Yep. And I'm gonna easily do my clutch. Oh, look at me, I failed already.
It's okay. It happens.
Failed already, guys. Woo, woo, woo.
Woo-hoo. Woo.
I got her moving, guys.
Look at her go, guys. She's getting it. She's getting it. We brought her here last night a little bit, and she had a little practice in. She wanted to practice a little bit before she got on video to show you guys. She didn't want to be embarrassed, but I keep telling her that it's how you learn, and it's just what happens. It's nature of the beast. It's an okay day out today. A little windy. I'll tell you what, that's not a bad little bike.
Just gotta get used to it.
We
that's
got
all.
that for $3,700 out the door, and
I haven't really got into going to second gear yet, but we'll get there. I'm trying. I'm proud of myself for actually learning how to do this. A little more windy today than yesterday. Once you get going on this, it's pretty smooth. Just got to get used to everything, that's all. And I think the hardest part is just the startup of it. You keep it at 1 speed and you're pretty good. After 10, you know it's ready to shift up to the second level. You can just tell that. It was funny, yesterday we were doing this, and one of our subscribers noticed that they were around this area, and they were on 77, and we weren't even paying attention that you could even see this parking lot from 77. Well, they noticed us. They said, "Oh, hey." Yeah, I do like this bike. It's a good bike, I think, for a first starter. It's not too heavy and you don't feel like you're gonna knock it down or anything. It's almost like riding a bicycle. That's the way I feel. I just got to get used to everything. And of course, it'll be different on the roadways with people and that, because you got crazy drivers out there. But other than that, I think you'll be pretty good. The sun feels good out here now. I'm just taking her easy, guys. I just gotta got to get this going, and I think I'm doing pretty good today. He wants me to try second gear. So we'll see. Once I get up to 10 is when I switch to this. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna turn here and see if I can get up to second. We're gonna see if I can, guys. Uh-oh, now I just did something. I don't know what I did. Now I'm back down to neutral. Now I see what I did. I went the opposite way. Sorry, guys. Now I gotta start all over again, because I didn't mean to do that. Oh, see, now I just stalled it. See, I gotta get used to everything. Oops, see, there I go again. No, I accidentally hit the wrong. I meant to click up, but I went down and I did it wrong.
Go ahead.
Oh, shoot.
What gear is it in?
Woo, nothing.
It's in something. There you go, it's in first.
Okay. Oops, yeah. I am. And I tell you what, as soon as you get into second, you can feel it more play on the thing. More play on your, how fast you're going, for sure. I just got to get it right.
Good job. Good job. Go ahead and roll it. This time.
Oops.
This time I want you to get to second gear. By the time you're in the center of that, I want you up to 15 miles an hour. Come around here, get up to 15 mile an hour. I want you to shift it into second. Come down here. Then I want you to pull in the clutch, downshift it, and let the clutch out, give it gas, and then stop here again.
I can try.
You'll do it. Good job. Clutch and brake. Good job.
All right, guys, you seen? I did what I did on this bike. I tried my best. I did fail a couple times, but I did okay other times. I did better from yesterday on some points. There still is a lot of stuff that I need to learn, and I'm really excited to do it. So I'm hoping that you guys will keep watching. I appreciate all of you guys for your subscribes and likes and everything. Well, I think we're done here. It's a little cold out here. I think we're going to go home. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.